What's up, everybody? Triple B, Texas, doing a battery swap. My JBL, the Flip4, little guy gave out, so I'm going to be changing out the battery on it. Just got my box in from Amazon. Actually had to get some needle nose pliers because you have to pull this thing out from this wire, and you can see that wire gave out. The rest are still on here, but I just got this needle nose to grab the body and pull the body. Jeez, that was an ordeal right there. Oh, you can see the battery, it's not exactly flat. It got here and it bubbled. I'm not sure you can see it on camera, but you can see it right here bubbling up from this point on. When you put your hand right here and you run your fingers across it, you can feel a large bubble on the inside. You can feel it bulging out also. And this glue that they put on here, this reminds me of butyl if you've ever done any work with the glass company. Okay, this one here says great power, 3000 milliamp hour, 11.1 watt-hour lithium polymer battery. For the Flip4 Special, all those. So, keep a pair of needle nose, keep those handy. This actually This is actually really easy to put in. So I guess that's what these are for right here. You're supposed to wrap this to keep it moving around, I guess. I mean, it comes with no instructions, so. That's it right there. So, sounds like it works.